So, hello everyone, how is everyone doing? Hope so everyone is fine. This is Vaibhav and welcome back to our channel, and today we are going to discuss about the most frequently asked doubts, sir, when to start our preparation. Does we start preparation of IMUCET in 10th class or in 11th class? So every single doubts are gonna be clear today. So let us begin our video. So today video is going to be a very interesting one, as we are going to talk about that when is the peak time, when is the time that we should be taking our life, our career seriously, when should we are preparing for merchant navy or for the IMUCET examination. So it is the 10th class, where should we start our preparation for merchant navy or for the IMUCET, or it is the 11th class. So let us clear this doubt that you should be start preparing for your merchant navy at class 11, and for those who are still in class 10th, they should be focusing for their board exams and score a good marks in English, as it is a more important for merchant navy field to have a good score in English. So now let us talk about for those who are in class 11. If you are in class 11, yes, you should prepare for the IMUCET examination, as you should be focusing for your subjects. First of all, if you are taking a PCM, then you will be able to give the merchant navy examination and the sponsorship examination. The main thing is that you should be taking PCM in your 11th class. So if you are thinking that you should be preparing for IMUCET and all, first and basic step to take for the merchant navy preparation or for the IMUCET preparation by average student is that you should be knowing about the syllabus plus the exam pattern. If you're knowing about these two things, then it will be much more easier to start your preparation for the IMUCET examination in class 11. If you're focusing on the most important topic which are being asked from the class 11 syllabus, if you're focusing on those topics, then it will be much more helpful in the end of the 12th class. You guys can do one thing, you can just take a crash course after completing your 12th exam board, as crash course will be much more helpful than taking a fully 2 years batch for preparing of IMUCET, as in crash course they will be providing you a proper guidance for the interview sessions plus the proper guidance for IMUCET examination and sponsorship examination. So budding mariners will help you in guiding for your IMUCET examination, sponsorship examination and your interview sessions. So there will be a mentor which will be assigning you for your IMUCET preparation and the guidance for your interviews plus sponsorship exam. If some of the people have any queries or having any doubts about the IMUCET examination or for the merchant navy, you can just go to the description. There is a link provided. You can just click it and fill up the form. After filling the form, our team and the mentors will directly contact you and assist you and clear your all doubts. Hope every doubt have been cleared, and if you like the video, just give it a like and tell me the best part you like in this video in the comment section. And if you have any other doubts, any queries, you can just fill up the form which will be provided in the descriptions. And if you want to make me another video, just give me the doubt. I will be there to help you and assist you. And thank you for watching this video.
Do you guys want the updates regarding the exam forms or the maritime industry in general? या फिर एग्जाम्स के लिए मोटिवेशन चाहिए, then you definitely need to follow our Instagram channel for all this stuff and much more.
Want the best notes and material for IMUCET and sponsorship exams? Want daily quizzes? Or do you want your doubts about your merchant navy career solved by our mentors? Search Budding Mariners on Telegram or click on the link in the description below to start your mariner journey with us today.